Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the average value. So now I will show you how to find the average value. The formula of this one. That should be about 1 over b minus a. So we have the integration from a to b, and we have the function in here, ds. Now we have b dash is about b, a dash is about 0, f of s that is about this one. So I will put b gone here and here. Number 0 gone here and here. The function that is about this one. Now we need to simplify. Now the next one we can use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equal to cosine s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about negative sine s ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we need to put the negative go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I need to put number 0 gone here, and you got about u equals to number 1 when s equals to b. So I will put b gone here, and you got about u equals to negative number 1. So number 0 we change by number 1, b we change by negative number 1, cosine s we change by u, sine s ds we change by negative du. We know that the integration of u to the power of 4, we have u to the power of 5 over 5. And then we put the bounds from number 1 to negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. So I need to put negative number 1 gone here and positive number 1 gone here, and we have the final answer. That is about 2 over 5b. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.